Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add step count on iPhone lock screen. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the App Store. On the App Store, locate and search for Pedometer++ app and then install it. So this is the application you're going to use to add step count to your iPhone lock screen. So make sure you download and install the Pedometer++ application. After that, swipe down the control center at the top left. Then press and hold the lock screen, click on customize, then select your lock screen. Now click on add widget and then search through here until you get to the Pedometer++ application. Click on it, then you should see your step count. Then go ahead and add the step count to the lock screen. After that, click outside and then close the widget. Then click on done at top right, select your lock screen again, and then you see. So this is now your step count added to the lock screen on your iPhone. So that is basically how to add step count to lock screen on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.